Melbourne. Oh my gosh, today's dish looks so custard. Let's try it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited to share this vlog with you guys. So let's go and eat. So this is our first stop, and I am going to try this one. It's strawberry with cream custard. Let's try it. So we got our croissant, and I'm gonna try it now. I couldn't taste the cream, so let's just crack it open. The croissant tasted really well with the strawberry cream cheese. I love that. All thumbs up for this croissant. Next, we wanted to try this cute bun bao. So here we are. Let's go give it a go. Okay, so can I just have one of the crispy fried tofu in this pink one?
Yeah. This one is fried.
So we got these cute two burgers. I'm still waiting for my order. And chips. So excited to try this. Wow. It's so cute. This looks so pretty. I can't even eat it. Oh. And it has like crispy tofu in it. Oh. Should I eat it or keep it? I'm not gonna lie, but it just looked pretty. It did not taste pretty. I'm sorry. But this is so cute to me. Maybe I can just eat the bread. Oh, bread's nice. Heading to the next one. But we need to walk a little bit. So let's walk to the next destination. Alright, here we come. So this place is a little small and cozy, but I think their dessert and drinks are really good. So let's give it a go. Okay.
And these four are the best sellers so far.
Yeah.
Let me know if you're interested in anything.
Yeah, thank you. Go for it.
So you can enjoy the rose fragrance before eating.
Oh my god, this whole experience is just so cool, and it's highly recommended, guys. If you're in Melbourne, please go and visit this place. Alright, let's dig in. There's some jelly kind of.
Okay, so this is a rose flavored one, and inside it has purple colored jelly, which is rose. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really good. Nice.
So it's cheesecake with rose cheesecake. Next we went to this hardware society, and this is exclusive because we just read that they have only 3 branches in all over the world, which is Paris, Barcelona and Melbourne. so we had to try. Our food is here, and oh my gosh, look at my dish. That looks so cute, so pretty. This is baked eggs with all the veggies. Oh, I'm so looking forward to eat it. Yummy. This is probably one of the best meals we had in Melbourne. And if you are ever in Melbourne, please save this because you don't want to miss it, unless you are planning to go to Paris or Barcelona. Just saw this really cute ice cream spot, so thought to get it, and I'm getting this one. This looks so good. Mango desserts are one of my favorites, so I cannot wait to try it. She was literally the sweetest because she added 3 wafers in our ice cream because we were 3 people. How cute is that? This looks so good. I'm gonna try with bread. Okay. The ice cream is really good. Yum. The ice cream is really good flavor. It's mango. Okay, so we came to Tory Cafe, which is very famous for desserts. But the thing is, it's really long line. There's line even inside. So we're just gonna have to wait. Oh man, I can wait. So much sweet. Yeah. We got our orders, but there is no space to sit here. So cafe was extremely crowded. We did not get spot even though we waited for another 10 minutes, but we got impatient looking at this gorgeous dessert and drinks. So we just went to the nearest mall and found a cute little place to sit and try this. It was honestly worth waiting in that long line because these desserts are mind-blowing. This is a rum cake, rum chocolate cake. It was so yum and dark. If you like dark chocolate, yeah, this was great. Also, they were selling this cream cheese garlic bread, and oh my gosh, it was amazing. I have never eaten any garlic bread like this before, and believe me, next day I wanted to go back and get that garlic bread again, but line problems. Maybe next time. There's always a next time, isn't it? Oh yeah. This cafe is nothing like it sounds, guys. It's not workshop, but it's a cute little cafe. I love the whole cozy vibes here, and their cute paintings. Cheers to Melbourne! We got our breakfast. So I got shakshuka. 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 Yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh, Jay's dish looks so good. It's in croissant. Oh my god. And some petrol. And we've got, what's that? Shakshuka. I'm getting hangover. The food was really good here, and one more thing I really liked is if you're hungry, you should go here because they are super duper quick to bring your food out. So all thumbs up. Hello everyone, I really hope you guys like this vlog. I had so much fun filming it, and if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe, hit a like, and I will see you in my next vlog.